Welcome, fellow Star Wars and room-building enthusiasts. In today's quick adventure, we're touching the mere surface of the realm which is Star Wars room building. From CAD design to construction, we'll explore every aspect of creating the ultimate Star Wars sanctuary. Join us as we channel our inner Jedi, Rebel and Sith to bring to life the iconic imagery of the Galactic Republic, Jedi Order and the Empire. With precision CAD design, we can map out every detail, from clone trooper helmets to stormtrooper insignias, ensuring an immersive experience for any Star Wars fan. Even without CAD software, designing a Star Wars-themed room can be an exciting and creative endeavor. Only your imagination is the limit. Finding inspirational ideas from many facets of the Star Wars universe, the background in movies, gameplay, visiting the sights of Galaxy Edge, or even staring up at a clear night sky. Before we embark on this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to never miss an episode. Your support fuels our passion for bringing the magic of Star Wars to life. May the Force be with you as we embark on this quest together. Creating a Star Wars-themed room sounds like an exciting project. If you're looking to design it in CAD, you'll have plenty of creative freedom to bring your vision to life. From lightsaber-inspired lighting fixtures to walls adorned with iconic symbols like the Jedi Order emblem or the Galactic Empire insignia, there are countless ways to incorporate Star Wars elements into your design. Consider adding interactive features like a hidden compartment designed to resemble the Millennium Falcon's cockpit, or a wall mural depicting an epic lightsaber duel between Jedi and Sith. You could also incorporate futuristic technology, like voice-activated controls inspired by R2-D2 or holographic displays reminiscent of scenes from the movies. Whether you're aiming for a sleek and modern aesthetic inspired by the Galactic Republic, or a more ominous atmosphere reminiscent of the Sith Empire, there are endless possibilities to explore. And of course, don't forget to include nods to iconic characters like clone troopers, stormtroopers, and perhaps even a life-sized replica of Darth Vader's helmet as a centerpiece. With CAD, you can experiment with layouts, colors, materials, and dimensions to create the perfect Star Wars sanctuary. It's an exciting journey into a galaxy far, far away, and the only limit is your imagination. Even if you are lacking any required skill sets with building to begin with, do not be afraid to ask for help or just start, as a journey always begins with a single step. Start taking baby steps with your artwork and craft something small. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an avid collector, or simply a Star Wars fan with a passion for creativity, designing a Star Wars-themed room can be a fun and rewarding project. Remember to ignite that like button, subscribe to our channel, and activate notifications to never miss an episode. Your support is the hyperdrive that propels our passion for bringing the enchantment of Star Wars to life.